Okay, this should be fairly simple. We're going to take our template here. Make sure you have a saved copy of it just as is. And after you save it, you're going to go right up here where these little lines are, and you click on it. You can go flatten image. Yes. Okay, now grab it, click on your layer, drag it down to this little plus sign, which will make a duplicate copy of it. There you go. And then open up a new, go to File, New, 8.5 by 11, Custom. Alright, there we go. So you have blank paper there, right? I like to detach it just to make it easier to drag it. Now, there's your new paper, right? You're going to click on this. Grab your copy that you just made from this one. Grab it, drag it, drop it. Now grab this, put it back on its home. Okay. So now you have this on this, right? Now grab them. Make another copy. Make sure you click select or hold the shift key down and click. So you have both selected. Now make sure you hold on. Okay. Now hit Command. I think you have Command. Wait, my computer it's Control, but Command T. That should select it and make it smaller. Probably somewhere around 5 inches. If you look at the side, right here, I have a ruler. It's in inches. So make sure that you put it to at least like 5. Maybe 5 1/4. Okay. Now, if for some reason you were moving it and it was kind of going all weird on you, and by that I mean like this, then you have to hold the shift key down as you move it. And keeping the shift key on it will make it stay proportional. But if you didn't have that problem, then don't worry about it. Now, click on one of them, click on it and drag it over. So these little pink lines in the middle help you line it up so they're like perfect. Now, with those two there, hit shift again. Select both copies. Now, grab them both and make another copy of those. So now you have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And with these still selected, you can just click anywhere really. Oh shit, guess not. We'll just bring 2 down, basically. Hey, where's my other calendar? Ah, there we go. See, these pink lines are your friends right here. These will help you line it up. Okay. And up. There you go. Beautiful. And then make sure you have it. Make sure you're not cutting any of the words off the side. That happens sometimes. Make sure you're not cutting off on the bottom or red. Yeah, 5 1/4 is just about right. Okay. And then you make sure you go and you save it as a PDF or a JPEG. Oh shit. So you go save as. Right here it'll say Photoshop document, so you want it to be a Photoshop PDF or JPEG. They both will print the same. And PDF, so you can throw it back into Photoshop and you'll be able to edit it still. But once it's a JPEG, it's a flat image, it's done. It's pretty much a JPEG. So yeah, click JPEG or whatever, PDF. Save. Oh, wait. Well, usually, if you can select this on your computer, because I'm sure that your Mac will do that, click on it, because CMYK is just better. Alright, save. Yes, replace it. Yes, yes. Okie dokie. And there you go.